Okay, so good evening once again. Good evening, everyone. Let's continue our class on system of particles in rotational motion. Makha tawrsi ko khoi ngarang kai bu tawgre aduga makha kai kai tawgadabada yengasi. Khoi ngarang si okay parallel okay. So khoi ngarang last topic ko ina perpendicular axis theorem ga parallel axis hagadam ni ko plural ni kai no di two axis. So CJ ino the recording the thado ko ngamdre matam chana ngarang gi class aina si myam to gram ne ai hajiki class ek loi buga si gi class gi recording ne du hajik to budri ba class gi recording ne ka habdi ngarang nga si gi ani ma ki thadora ge so the intor ji ka na nga si gi hor si class canonical access kedoba access theorem ta credu ga moi questions na comment to no yengsi questions ji khoi ngarang kai bu solve to gre I the moment of inertia de hogadabra manika koi question number 30 ga 3 bhau di tawgre ba ka na moment of inertia light rod blah 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 layer gyration blah blah ka okay fine so let's do kedoba moment of inertia of some regular shape bodies ka moment of inertia of some kedoba regular writing is anyway moment of inertia of some regular shaped bodies ka regular shaped bodies so this is the queen again sigi canonical I dum pat launa pige ba quite first let's say ring gi has ko ring gi si queen kaino lei ni ko ani men oina ani da nate ahum lei bi ai ring gi ka so si ahum si kai kaino ha matam da ai adum kaino ni ye ke ko picture when ye ke ko sumaina si ring ji sumaina le reng khala je ko ring je sumaina le reng khala ja asigi axis sida sumaina umtat paje sisina magi moment of inertia zina kai wini ha matam da I is equal to mr square oini ko if r is the radius of the ring and if m is the mass of the ring now kai gumba magi ring z second subusina cc ring ne ko the magi diameter habdi kedoba magi plane ji the labor diameter am the sumaina rotate to jung that sisina I is equal to m or half mr square has or mr square by 2 has ko and then again atopa myam laibe I have the kaino amatam da sigi same sigi pochida kari gumba aina magi axis of rotation je sikitang kaino to ko sigi yam ko yamun ko sigi pochida aina ne axis of rotation je so I the shift over taragadi adu gadi magi the axis of rotation is the lehen ba ko natragana CZ aina kai we have da yamune ko ne kino pan ba hibreng ge ko sar nang taki ba theorem ani du pan ba hibreng ge sida leiba taraga di magi moment of inertia ji kai we ni du puthok ka ne I is equal to c ke sida I is equal to na ko so sir nui kino khangbra sigi sida kai pani khangbra sigi je parallel axis theorem pan ga ne ko ana koina okay, so quite first ring moment of inertia c mr square or is kai have the chorpam high ge sir ka chorpam high ge adu high drag di no idea do same di high ge na di ya di sigum derivation me am di tau raroi ge ka just ring dang gi tau ge ka koina moment of inertia I have c kai have the in general no khang bada moment of inertia ji kai do ba summation natragana ko summation do okay fine no summation mi ri square hai ko I is kai hai ba summation mi ri square cg khang mana tro ma'am khangbra khangdabra kanam kumakte kumomta kanam ta di kumuda
khangi sir
khangi ko summation mi ri square ne ba ado mass ama khatang khak leiba ta gadi ma axis of magi axis of rotation the distance r la pagadi mr square ne ba ado mass me am le gadi mass khudingi mr square me am du plus tawram ni na I suba mass to gidi I suba distance habdi m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square plus m3 r3 square adu me am do the summation to mi ri square and highway 1 ne ba adumain tawduna akoina kedowi habda magisi ring unit yang matam da akoina mi ri gi muta aina mi gi muta si summation gi muta integration na mahut sin labnina mi gi muta dm la ne ko and then magi kaino habda my distance me am do always kaino r ngata ne mi r square dum la ne auna upai lete si di kai di kaino the all the distances all distance me am r lo in la pe ring gi loinamak r da loin la pe ba sigi dm ma am khakse si mass ma sai dm ne lor je ba si dm je distance r lap ni som da su dm je kai dum lap ne sigi dm je jo dum r dum lap ka ni distance ko da ai khui je kai no mun khalani he class ke out mi ngor ado noi gyan ta ngam ro ba
tai sir
ngami ko
tai sir
adi akuina si ring je dm ma am si at the fixed distance r the in all possible direction from the axis ni ko then low matam the id ring ma generate to ya ne ba so moi every distance every ri adi dm1 r1 dm2 r2 kai khala je ba adu me r1 r2 me lo r nga to lo la pe r ne mo chilage adu ri ke dong ne matam daina si r square z constant ni and integration of dm di kai no integration of dm le so obviously integration of dmd it will be simply m ko auna si m ji mamang ga puthoga aina mr square na sumaina tawrasu yai adu nattabida aina kaidawi habada suppose aina mazi atopo way da tawrasu yai atopo way ji kaino matamda m by 2 pi r is equal to dm by dl kai har ju yai ko makal ni ko tawduje auna kaidawni habda sigi formula se nangna sometimes like the sumai hot pazu dum thengnani but again it hardly matters ko si ju yai kem kai de natraga noina ko sidagi next step se kamain to ge habda again sida loi gre ko mathangi step ama gong torke ba sidagi kai dawni habda integrate dm gi mota kai na habda m by 2 pi r harga dl har ne ba now m by 2 pi r is constant natra m by 2 pi r is constant integration of dl hai integration of dl di kai ta ne 2 pi r kai do ba integration of dl di 2 pi r ta do ne ba ko aduga kai no have the mr square ta ga do ba ko so kai no in so si so the integration dl di 2 pi r ni ko si ki kai no dm ko dm into r square di kai chakra ba si ki dai na kai no mo wala me ko si sinna dm le ko si dm le ba si the r square mo le ba ko auna adugi r square duga di kaino have the r am le ni ko aduga makhagi si 2 pi r gi si r ji ma yawra roi gyan tabra aduna si gi si akoina kai lakani ha matamda space kitang space ki kaino problem am le aduna ngai ko don't worry it will be fine so it's not a big problem so si le si the on to ge ba aduga kida we have the si jing atang ka ki ge si me am ji pukal lage adu answer so sidagi si adum la alla je ba aduna sidi kai tar ne have the mr by 2 pi le adu integration of 2 pi se nangna integrator di 2 pi r ta ni ba on 2 pi ka kan da last dum kai dum tai mr square dum ta dra tai ka so si sina kitang ai di si kaisuk noida kino to budi natte adum di mr square dum ta ne ba na moment of inertia of a ring ji kai tai have da oh sorry call it actually and si matam ni call to kan ha to tori anyway so moment of inertia of a ring je mr square ne ba ko so aduni si je mr square lo je gyan tabra tai ko makatar poina serna noida haining is si sina sir mr square by 2 lai je kai gino gai je si am lai ba ko kamai lai no matam da serna ngrang takhib do ke do ba perpendicular axis theorem ji pan je ba perpendicular axis theorem ne kai have the iz is equal to ix plus iy hai ba ko aduna di kaidoni ha matam da haziki aina ring jigi aina ring am lere ring ji gi moment of inertia along this axis si my I ji kaino habda mr square ne ba adudi aina si gi same ring je same ring sumaino ina hapet ye aga sumain phaudat halage ba si gi axis si da leiba mai mai da phau ji kaine ba si gi I je mr square ne ba ko now si gi ring ji da ina suppose si dai ji da ama lore si dai ji da ama lore ba ko sumaina so si gi asi ring ni ko si je kaino nati ko oval shape nati ko yek pa da frakta ba ne ba ko gyan tabra tai ko nu yung taram de no
Tai
ngaw
sir.
tai ko taram de no pakali ni yung toys kapial la jira natraga ngai ko let's wait 1 second kitang kena to han ge ka nei kwai maru is no ina gyan taw de ne ko aina plan explain id keno no ina gyan taw de maru now CG sumai le ren kala jeba CG all these are perpendicular lines ni ko have the for example sidam le and then sidam le ba si om jilen perpendicular ne ba let's say this is ix ne ba let's say this is iy ne ba now ix ka iy ge si chap mana ni ba they are all perpendicular to each other ni ko gyan dai ko ja auna duga si sina iz ne ba actually iz is mr square le ba on iz is equal to mr square but we know from the perpendicular axis theorem iz is equal to kaino have the ix plus iy but ix ka iy ge chap mana ni ba ko kaino have the ring jenang sida logera axis se sumaina rotate togera natragan sida logera natragan sida logera natragan sida logera natragan sida logera ma si loina ma moina inertia loin chap mana nang kaisu differentiate to ngam moi ba ko haidi in any diameter lo muta loina mak chap mana ne ba ana kai dong ni have ix ka iy ge chap mana ni ba ko aduna 2 times of ix ha je ba 2 times of I let kai do ba ix is equal to iy is equal to I ha je ba ko aduna simean lo thokrage ko kande aduna di kai dong ni ha matam da cz loin chap mana bani na iz is equal to iz is equal to ix plus iy ne ba ko si khangi ko akoi ngarang sida takrabani the perpendicular the labor axis the perpendicular axis the labor moment of inertia do plane the labor moment of inertia which are perpendicular to each other and ahumak loina mutually perpendicular oigidamni aduga ahumak same point the pass togadamni ba ko aduna kaida we have the my center is the power axis ahumak aduga perpendicular plane the ringy plane the labor perpendicular ringy plane the perpendicular over axis to adugi moment of inertia do ringy plane the labor mutually perpendicular oinaba moment of inertia ani du samga manani haibane ba perpendicular axis theorem na haise ana ix plus iy le this is the kai tare 2 times of I le ko kai no this is chap mana ba ina I ni loksal la je ko ina aduna kai do ni have this is 2 times of I which is equal to iz but what is iz the mr square ne ba aduna I is equal to kai tare half mr square haigera or mr square by 2 haigera trying to tar ba I sa iy or ix is this is kai tare mr square by 2 tare ba ko si ji gyan ta ba ngam bra myam yam thumal la ba sir je
Tai sir.
Badang ngang ra gana to gyan ta horoi ko anjali tare hare atai di kana kana ji ta hare da ai ta hawde am ta nga haina ro gyan ta hawra ji da
Tai
sir.
se te bos ko me amarjit tabra
Sir.
amarjit ta is ko me ko Christina tabra
sir.
okay fine great so now let's move on so aduna ziki do noi khanga gadi again sigi sir na ngarang takiba theorem mani je ngarang class ya hoba mi yaure ya hoda mi je yaure do noi si theorem mani je phajana khanga dam ne ba ko ana si khanga di lila lore loi sadog ya ne je yong ko zik aduna kai gumba si gi puto ke har gadi noi na kai ningjing ne ba da sida leiba moment of inertia di khange ba ko si khangen lo du ne ba si khange di kana ring di mr square ne ba si gi this rate ki moment of inertia je kai na da I is equal to mr square ne si ICM ne ba ko ICM ji IC center of mass lai ni dra center of mass pause mr square ne adu di koina kai khange have the mr square plus mass into distance square di mr square am kong la ba aduna si di kai la ne 2 mr square la ne ba aduga si sina kai no matam da si gi di kai no si gi ju ICM do kai no mr square by 2 ne ba mr square by 2 plus m into r square di kai tarani si dia abada half plus 1 di kai 3 by 2 so 3 by 2 mr square tarani ba so aina hangning is si kamain taraino si kamain taraino di noi khang bra ba si ni ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ
Khangou sir.
ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯝꯇꯪꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ICMC MR square-ꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯗꯅ already ꯁꯤꯁꯤ parallel axis theorem-ꯅꯦꯕ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯔꯅꯀꯣ parallel axis theorem-ꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ any other axis-ꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ moment of inertia-ꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒ parallel ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ axis-ꯇꯨꯒ parallel ꯑꯣꯏꯕ axis which passes through center of mass ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ moment of inertia-ꯗꯨꯗ entire mass into the distance between the two axes ki square na plus tausinbaga manaiba haibadi any random axis amada laiba moment of inertia I has any random axis na si laiba ai sida laiba ai or so I laiba ai or so I laiba gyan menam tade anywhere laiba ai but adu layer matungda aina maga parallel oiba center of mass power moment of inertia amadi khangdaba yadeba ana maga parallel oiba axis center of mass power si oraneba so sigi ICM gi value do khanganeba koin adu khangde upai lete adu di piramaneba adudu khangagadi adududa plus tausandoine kari plus taudiba the product of the mass of the entire body into the distance between the two axis ki square do on md square is always plus tauneba where m is the mass of the body and d is the distance between the two axes this is the formula neba ko this is the parallel axis theorem neba ana sigi ji pali neba sarna ji toido ko kaino ha matamda sigi sidi kaino mr square ni dana aduga sida putoke haragadi mabani ki distance r lapnadra kaino ring gi radius dum lapnazare masana ko aduga entire mass di kaino entire mass di m neba aduna cg gi moment of inertia putoke haragadi kaino have the ICM di mr square lejare plus harga entire mass into distance square do distance r ne hodi 2 mr square taroidro haji gyan tarba
Tare sir.
okay so adu haragadi mathang gi jong yengoba cg je sigi mayagi moment of inertia ji kaino habda this is equal to mr square by 2 neba mr square by 2 natro sigi ji de mayagi ji de natro
Mani sir.
maneba adu rigidi adu biduda si distance r lape and magi kaino jina mass di kaino mass di capital M ne na dum loksalaji ana cd dum cd ICM do ngasagi sigi ji de mr square by 2 si ji da ina plus har mr square ma plus to ne kaino di M du di mass ni distance na r ne de mr square plus to di mr square common law na half plus 1 3 by 2 na sumai to tare ni bu ko handa mukti gyan ta horaba still ta driba
Tahore sir.
ta hore ko ai kai nam jalu ra stylus mangre okay yare ko du dia gyan ta in lower ge ko myam ne ma kanano chet ko mai si tare sir Christina matek amadi tahawi khang sir tahore okay fine yare atai kana kana gyan ta da yawi loin gyan ta arba tare ko
Tare.
Tare sir.
okay setibos tare ko
Tare sir.
okay fine now let's move on okay adurgadi ring gizi clear oiramnina matang tawtharaji zik disk ki hong tawtharaji ko this si aina zik adain derive tawlor layer roige disk ki ju irai lai nang this avji ring macha ama lorani adu ring du kaidoba maji sum picture pipadaina achoba ko adu bobuni na haga integrate tawraga dum tarakadoi ne ko but again I'll just give the main formula ko disk ki ju aziki ring gi shape tabudi laiduni but this is kaino laini ko ama ani ahum mari pirage this ki formula ju ko ajik this is cc kaino ni ring manja bai wani ko this is this ne ko this ti kaino this ti on loina amadi hollow oite ko my disk so my disk moment of inertia ji kai oi hamatamda mr square by 2 oi ko now sigi same this si kai gumba aina sigi x okay fei kai insas kamain tawsige pal as si kaino amut patasale ai tablets mathakta kai ken napsalale ting waya rough ore dine kaino crooked ore so sigi axis da ungen khalaje ko adudi magi moment of inertia si mr square by 4 oini ko aduga sigi same si putharaina aduga axis ena shift tawragadi sida lehanlagadi and then noi hairo ne handa mukti ko noi gyan ta hore haime noi try toro kaigumba aina sigi axis sida pu butaragadi moment of inertia si kai wini hairo sigi 1/4 plus 1 di kaya no 5/4 na tra ihe 5/4 na ti ni into isoi ni si
Salam.
yar ba jikte
3 mr square by 2
yar ba si se ngawr ba gyan ngaw na ngawdra ba na tra ngawri ba haro
Mane sir.
atai gyan oi tabra Anjali okay Lakshmi tare ko Anjali tare tabro tabro sir na pangai de tare en pangai jin tare ko atai kaino di tabro Amarjit tarbo
Oh sir.
okay duga kaino di tarba Christina tarba tare ko
Hoi sir.
okay fine yeah so aduna kedoni have the again sum compare to se ko compare to se di si ga sigi formula mari siga sine ring ne ko and si sine this ne ko no idum nasana khalayengo kaino have the 1 second let's do kaino is kind of this is ka hazik si screen share screen thok ta bida sir you in a sound thokra sir in sound thokra
Thokte. Screen to aingondadi.
okay adun takpadi AC kaino ne ko adune aingonda budi ai sai tan thoksa hajikti sir in thoe ko
Sarata.
oh yeah okay fine so I stop share talk the video I see screen the talk I side to talk them anyway no idum khalle yang ko kaino amatam da moment of inertia zi magi kahani ko my formulas in general zi kaino habda mr square ni dana ko for example let's say c rectangular shape udi ore but my disk shape tane na khallo ko for example ana same mass laiba amana ring oidiba amana kai oidiba amana disk oidiba ko aingonda khuzi gum jom ta leite to is ko hello over something now plate ambudi lay plate secure the more lay makum ne ko so let's say see this ne na khaloba now sigi mass let's say 10 gram lo me na khala jeba now sigi 10 gram ji pra flat or ankle is uniformly distributed or kadoi ne ko and my moment of inertia along this axis sigi axis the laiba magi moment of inertia ji kai oini have the whatever oiningo exertion koi khange jikta budi maji kai ring or bata argadi mr square or ni this or gana mr square by 2 or kani ko adudu kai adune ba sir na ji keno tawning is noida haining is haibadi sir na haining is kaino habda sidadi akoina sigi magi perpendicular axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the plane of the ring see mr square oi aduga somdana samana bada this organ mr square by 2 oeba adun takudi ring ne na chaweba haidi ring da di half na yelakte ba mr square oeba this da di half na yele eba ko so si kai adugi wane ba ko sir na ken tawning is ana kai ha matam da aziki akoina mass distribution je ring da kai da wi ha matam si da yauri ba mass am amta yauri ba kai da loin chakrani magi circumference loin chakrani ba mai kai do ba farthest possible distance r da loin lai grani ba marak se khotrong ho ne ba adi the mass are distributed kai do ba in the farthest possible way hagadra or kahani configuration hagadra whatever quite a lapna mazi placed oreva aduna ring na I moment of inertia ji chawbe he neba kai the mr square neba m di chamana jerga su r do maximum possible distance loin lapna leire my circumference so this ticket only have the sidasu mass khara laini and manung da su mass ma'am yawrakani bo everywhere mass aduga my mayai da leiba mass di count or kaino di magi axis tagi leiba distance so axis to adu mass to power nina distance 0 or neba ko and remaining atopa kaido we have the mass uniformly distributed to neba ana anakpa mass yauni arapa mass yauni so ring dana loinamak lapeba loinamak lapam nina my moment of inertia to saw ne this ki di anakpa ju khara yarak paina mass to uniformly distributed to paina handara kani ko ana kaido we have matam da always this na moment of inertia pick kani ring na moment of inertia chawgani ba adugi concept to seasoner ga noina hollow cylinder ga solid cylinder ga si moment of inertia karam manu chawni hollow cylinder na chawdra solid cylinder na chawdra
Hollow cylinder.
very good hollow cylinder na kai have the same mass ne ba cylinder ani low to need animak 10 gram ngataneba animak same whatever it doesn't matter whether it's of the same material or whether they are of the different material but mass to the let's say 10 gram so all the masses are distributed at the maximum distance cylinder to the hollow wave si pura hollow wave amazina pura full level full lamina ke don't have the mass loinamak farthest possible distance laitre khaka naksalak by uniformly distributed obviously hollow duni helakaneva kay you know the moment of inertia gi formula is keno mr square neba ko ana m chap manager ga su distance amana maximum r ngata le ani sigi r ngata le roi anak pu zero kani zero kani solid cylinder the axis to no power mass sing to the moment of inertia da contribute to the kay mo distance zero ne axis tagi kay no axis ma samuk ta lei jabani na ko so mai to duna no har hollow sphere ga solid sphere ga moment of inertia kam man chawni yes kam man chawni Lakshmi Amarjit Setabos Christina Anjali Esteris Thongamba hollow na chawni ko
Hello.
obviously hollow na chaw tam ni kay no solid to di ngasai de habdo ano hollow ga solid kay ji always hollow na dum chaw ni ba kay no habda mass to unnecessary anak pa jaga da tham di quite the maximum farthest possible distance ne ba tham di ko adi wani so now let's proceed koi ino tor ji ko kai kai nam jalu rem ka internet si ngasi ji kitang stable oi what anyway so see this ki moment of inertia formula mari ji khangjalo maka tor si aduna nui disk ki khanga ga di ko ainong hollow cylinder ga solid cylinder ga hapsala ge ko hollow cylinder and hollow cylinder ki kya laini have the maizu let's say hollow cylinder harga kamain to zike have the chile ko so sigi axis sidani you see sigi sida laiba hollow cylinder za kaidoni have the ring ga chama adre ne ring mayam ama longkhat pamatam the hollow cylinder am phangoidra ring am leire si mathakta ring among tham ring mayam ama tham kan hollow cylinder am phangoidra phangkani ko haidi hollow cylinder is ring mayam same ne ba na ring ga chama ne moment of inertia on I is equal to mr square dum nei ne ba gyan tai ko is and then kaigumba adugi same cylinder duna solid cylinder oiba taragadi kedoni have the solid cylinder oiba taragadi this mayam na same ne lowrani ba this mayam na same mamnina magi di mr square by 2 le ne ba ko adagi nangna atopa aina ngasai tawbudo sigi axis sida thamakpa swain chepa thamakpa mayam leibe mayam tawba yare ko adu every regular body kuding tawraga layer isi matam keno tawni ko okay hollow cylinder solid cylinder so number 4 and then number 5 the kay has have the let's say rod of length L rod rod kidi kay no matam da sumaina sigi rod am le of length L my length L sang my center of mass ta sumaina ungthat leba ko ina adi magi moment of inertia ji kay no have the 1 by 12 ml square high ka 1 by 12 ml square and CG may exception amo ibni but again it can be derived ado si derived to roge ko hangjal lo habdi si combine derived to ni ha matam da koina sigi magi dm macham lo ni dm ki distance to ngasai gi minus x to plus x na sorry minus ke doba my length total length L ni na minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 over integrate to go ni because dm ze dm ki distance ki kaina abda dm mas minus strip macham lore and it is at a distance x lore ne ba aduna aduga dm x integration of dm x square haraga magi integration ki lower limit upper limit to minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 integrate of the sim tar kani buko so do kona do not necessary for now adu tawle matam mang ni adu noina still if you want we can do it later or adum angon the tonga na hango ko sida di haperoge adai matang da koina ke do we have the hollow sphere ga solid sphere ga ko uneasy giga hapsenji so hollow sphere si sphere ni ko si adum akoi two dimensional plane da yek pani na ko keno to wangam de ba ide hollow ga sphere three dimensional or any like yek mi go ga ka swang ga hapsala ka 3D ga manan ya ba ko adu malo ya ro duna adum torji so ke do we have amana hollow ne amana solid ne adum khalo ko so aduna amana 2/5 ne amana 3/5 ne ba ko so noi karam mana chaw dong mali 2/5 2/5 ka 3/5 ka jikam man chaw noi dum haro
2/5
2/5 na chaw hai ni 2/5 ka 3/5 ka jibu 2/5 na chaw bra 3/5 chaw bra on hollow sphere gi 3/5 amana 2/3 amana sorry amana 2/3 ne amana 3/5
2/5 nó rồi
sorry amana 2/3 ne ba ko amana 3/5 ne ba ko adu 2/5 ka 3/5 ka di ka man chaw CCD 0.6 OM 3/5 T natra and CC na 0.66 natra audi 2/3 chaw bra ID 5630 amana 3618 96.66 star on 2/3 chaw re ko so 2/3 hollow sphere solid sphere na 3/5 adu an lege deba yare ko
oh
so aduna kedo we have the sigi mayam ji noi tips lege dam ne amuk doubt leidana kotana adu da mayam adu to bagi keno adu gi kemta lei ka any tham ganu ai ta chance pi ganu doubt leibagi ko pura full solid oina kena to da ai si makha chingte ya ji kai ngom de space um kalle noi da khanjan bra makha gi part che sir na si da cursor move to ije noi da khanjan bram te yone swai je khan bra swai je screen je khanjan de ba ko okay yare noi da khanjan ra di yare ai di swai je khanjan lam no man bai ta du noi da khanjan ra di yare okay so now as koi dum question matang solve to thab yare ko so today's Thursday or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 days lady ko quick gravity to solve to godin aduna sat lang to toksan ji yam live chapter ni ko khwai de live chapter sing mark to mani so si akoi ngarang atai loin to gre si to ji ko so sigi matung da 2026 2016 ni matung da question hang ga dinoi photo kitang phajana tak ka pa whatsapp to sat thazul loss adum solve to ke ko it is to everyone now noina tharo sir question ama yawi har ga ko aduga noina yam lai ga di sir tawrogel aduga noi kitang lui kai khalaga dum thajalo ko aduga any other question sir na jikta is da noina any xyz kehne jaga dagi purakpa question topic siga chana ga di all questions are welcome adum question da pro sir dum solve to ge ko live class da not an issue. Now, a solid sphere of mass m and radius r is rotating about its diameter. A solid cylinder of the same mass and same radius is also rotating about its geometrical axis with an angular speed twice that of the sphere. The ratio of the kinetic energies of rotation will be in a so sigi question zinoi luina kanbra sir tawra noi yadra skip tawsira question aham maina tawsira haro the call is yours hainaro sisi
đâu sẽ đâu sao
okay tawse ka sir solid sphere gido 2/5 or draw solid sphere gido can oibra solid sphere gido 2/5 oibra solid sphere gido
2/5 wait
oh okay my bad I'm sorry and thank you for correcting ko see I cannot tell pa oidre 2/5 amazing 2/3 ko 2/5 okay yeah I need guide 3 lamjalu anyway yeah so now see a solid sphere of mass m and radius r is rotating about its diameter sphere a solid sphere ne sphere solid ni ko adu di magi I ji kai tar ne habada ziki do 2/5 mr square zik the solid sphere gi to gi dangai ko this is I ne and a solid cylinder of the same mass and same radius is also rotating kayumba solid cylinder over taragadi magi moment of inertia si kai oini habda koina solid cylinder orgadi mr square by 2 ni ko kai no di disk manabado solid ni na ko oh twice okay magi omega zina let's say 2 times of omega 1 ka hai se ko si omega 2 ne ko, and let's say magi na omega 1 speed ne ko. So the ratio of the kinetic energies of rotation, so simple ko. Adu di kind of the kinetic energy mo ni sigi E of spare divided by kinetic energy ni ko E ze. Adi kai no di mo ina piramam ni na ita ko adu I know in kalo. So kinetic energy of the cylinder, kinetic energy of the spare, is kai lay yang si ko. Kinetic energy formula adu kai no half mv square for translational motion and half I omega square for rotational motion. So half layer and I layer and omega 1 square hani duga half layer ni I layer ni omega 2 square hani. So half ka kre si I1 ni sina I2 ni ko. So during the queen I1 si kaino have the 2 by 5 mr square omega 1 square. Amazina kaino have the 1 by 2 mr square harga 2 times of omega 1 square di 4 times 4 omega 1 square. Omega 1 square ka kre mr square ka kre, and ultimately kaino have the 2 into 2 the 4 4 ka kre the 1 by 5 tare ka 1:5 is the right answer. No ngau bra sig is sorry jam thumal laba 1 by 5 tare ngau bra ngau bu ngau dre dura
Ngao de sir.
ngau de ka. Okay, Lakshmi di kuma kidre Lakshmi
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
ngau de ka thangamba. Okay, right, fine ko duga jikta nong chang ko jikana no gyan tabra keno cham hai je cham gyan tabra
Tai.
tai ka. Okay,
Tai.
fine tai ko. Alright, so nang kitang tienge ai keno ne recorded session upload tawrakani mamangi saruk to yengo aduga ngarangi class oi record taw ki matam je phangdadana ai kitang tight oi neck to neck chatpagi ko aduna ai hedum si class loraga ani mak upload tawragi ngarangi class. Now ajiki yam live question ni ko do dum tawgre. A light rod of length L has two masses M1 and M2 to its two ends. The moment of inertia of the system about an axis perpendicular to the rod and passing through the center of mass is so simple. Sisi kay noi ngam gadra na traga sir tarora hero.
Okay, sir.
Tauzera.
Oh, sir.
Okay.
Sir, tauze.
Tauze baka. Okay. Tauze. Aduga sir na hagi dabam na 2016 gi mamang 2016 gi matungda hangba question legadi sir da thazalo baka kudak ta dum aduga ajik tawring dum ta hose baka sir dum sok tawrake baka adini. So a light rod of length L has two masses M1 and M2 attached to its end. So let's say this is the rod, and mass let's say this is M1, and let's say this is M2. The moment of inertia of the system about an axis perpendicular to the rod and passing through the center. So let's say this is the whatever, see the layer, see rod, see the perpendicular, and about this magi moment of inertia putoro. Obviously magi kaino have the distance c, obviously c distance L by 2 or ni c L by 2 or draw hoini dana ka ana akoina kaino have the moment of inertia is kaino summation of MIRI square neba auna M1 harga L by 2 whole square plus M2 harga L by 2 whole square. Kaino the axis is passing anyway, yeah, don't is perpendicular to the rod. Yare kaino asi di kai target 2 times of ml square by 4 m1 plus m2 divided by harga l square layani ko aduga 2 kaidoba l square by 4 tare by 4 yaudabra yaude adidi this kaino ka kaidno sources somewhere. The moment of inertia this is perpendicular to the rod and passing through the center of mass. Okay, fine. Center of mass. Oh, my bad. Center of mass power IGD. Sine ba ko mitak paije. Aina kali sina midpoint en kan ba. the moment of inertia of the system about an axis perpendicular to the rod and passing through the midpoint kind of it's not L by 2 anymore ko si L by 2 oiroi ko aduna kedo we have the am tuman gray ngasi je ko sa je kapsel le dun ni soirei kai no de ai je khare yam cover tawning bai ta ngasi je tu gin ko anyway fine adu di ai je sika asi je kai le je khang de ba koi ma ji kitang mai de le halroi ge soi de le halage ko aduga again no haina ro adu di center of mass ai ji kaino position ai ji kai de nom di on du ni ko so kana de lo ji m1 de lo ji m2 de lo ji mai de lo ji koi first responder du na hai ko de lo di ni kana nom hai m1 m2 or mai m1 han male okay okay yeah m1 de lo ji ko mai de lo ji ai m1 de lo ji ai so moment of sorry center of mass and putoxi ko center of mass and putoxi so center of mass so see one dimension in just let's take it as x ko xcm so my x there ko so center of mass xcm is equal to kaino abda noini hena khanga puni m1 into 0 plus m2 into kaino m2 into l divided by m1 plus m2 so sidi kai tare do masana m2 by m1 plus m2 times l this is the center of mass yare ko assume gyan ta draba sir road ki mass ti kada hai road si moina kai do ya light road ka hajal laga mass piram de duna road si kina lower neglect on yare ko cg m1 ai ni ko adura gadi kai no matam da sigi distance what is this distance from here sigi distance e koi khang hai baji sigi distance kai no m2 by m1 plus m2l ne no sigi distance khang da ya ro sigi distance kai moment of inertia puto ke this is distance l minus m2 by m1 plus m2l ne ko m2l subtract overga kai ta ne have the m1 by m1 plus m2l ta ne bisi hada dratorium cross multiplication sorry LCM tawro m1l plus m2l minus m2l odi m2l ge minus m2l ka kraka m1l by m1 plus m2 taroidro m1l by m1 plus m2 taroidro siji gyan taroidro ba tagadra ba
Tại sao?
Tani sir.
tani ko okay hai sigi distance ni ko sigi distance adura gadi lore kaino di moment of inertia putho adudi magi moment of inertia m1 gidi kaino m1 gidi si distance la pa na draw di m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 harga l harga square ne sorry so c square tawni aduga c square tawni m1 gidi mi masai in 2000 ni ko m1 into harga distance square plus m2 harga amka distance square se tawge harga di m1 square lani aduga m1 plus m2 whole square lani aduga l square leni audi yone sida kaidorni have the noina uneasy noina l square by m1 plus m2 whole square is common lorga di kaidorni have the aduga m1 m2 zoom common lorga di m2 plus m1 leni adu kakthana matungda ngawgadra aina pang onlon challe to tam toge ko noi sisi gyan tabrem ko sir na kaido we have the m1 m2 common lower gave ko divided by m1 plus m2 whole square l square common low matam the m2 amle more m1 amle more ko asidi gyan tar mani the ko c square jiga c ka credi m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 l square m1 m2 by m1 plus l2 l square so option number A tabrem me ngawre gyan ta utre tadre noi kino net ngai troba okay gyan ta udo mi awra kino amarjit dagi Christina Saitabos Thongamba Cham Asterisk Anjali Lakshmi
Sorry, out there.
okay tare loin tarba Saitabos tarba
Tai sir.
taiba ko okay yeah okay yeah let's move on to the next question. Okay, matang idi. From a circular disc of radius and my small disc of is removed. again aina khoi sounding ji kai no bra saudi sounding de angang oi je to ini kha aingon the see question sir cavity ki problem they sir this tagi du lok thok pagi kana no ma khang de na haijar ma mi ma ngasi class ya oktre aina ma class to ina aina haibane ai adu hajik si tai soidam ki yora ni nang ya class ya ona aduga ngasai engon tharamane sir ngasi di class ya user ge recording on yeng ke na ado anyway si question ji hochira no idum haigadra yo holaji ko hota yar kai no di mana so haram mane mana yeng jana baduga noiju yong si question live lubra sije
live
dum lai ma my cup crack ko anyway from a circular disk of radius r and mass 9m a small disk of mass m and radius r by 3 is removed concentrically cd like the moment of inertia of the remaining disk about an axis perpendicular to the plane of the disk okay lie have me to kanano answer hero what the video nadra hola go haro
40 mr square
40 by 9 m square tabra C r by 3 haragadi c is it this is r by 3 ne ka and c is in r ne total distance ne ka in r by 3 bra wala isa okay so c ki remaining portion of the disk se and c manung is log thokradi c ki disk se ki moment of inertia kai tani have ne so now adudi am like kai no ha matam da kuina sigi disk ki moment of inertia is again no khang da na moment of inertia is a scalar quantity and scalar quantity is direct add subtract over the do da kem leite ko vector or ga dina magi resolution nung ama mataw ma changi ko adu natragana magi formula lay but scalar da di kem leite moment of inertia is a scalar so nang na ke doni ha matam da let's say I harga r by 3 has yes I r by 3 I do plus aduga akwina sigi magi lemhori bado aduga plus to matam da again masi kyan wai do ma adi swai yero gi ko matam mangnam ne na swai harage magi ke do ba again sisi da noina section ga da na mass kyam ne hodo no jino khangoi ba ko ana akwina ke do niya matam da total kenoje magi kare uniform oini na kone long ni buko so m by haraga pi r square is equal to haraga pi haraga mas my r ji keno r by 3 whole square lani adu de lay m dash to kai widino am ne yan dai guys adu di si de kone m dash kai wini have da r square pi square sorry pi ka kre r square ga si keno r square ga ka kre di 9 adu obviously m dash m dash c m by 9 tare ko kay no si 3 square 9 mathak sa kren on m by 9 tare m dash c m by 9 tare ko aduna again what is m dash m dash is sai r by 3 labor r by 3 radius labor this says si mass never si r by 3 labor this says si mass never m dash is ya ka on magi moment of inertia di kay na da m dash to okay adum m by 9 harjira m by 9 harga mr square by 2 ne ko on half again and r square di kay no da r by 3 whole square d r square by 3 square d 9 similar ko plus remaining gi moment of inertia di yamna weight over shape ni sidi ko this unati ring unati khang de aduna I dum putho I dum thamage entire disk di kay no mai di m ni 9 ne mai di moina damn it m dash is equal to m dar m by 9 gi mutu kay ni m year ni aduga ama sidana 9m year ni aduga r d r square Adu I is equal to kai tare have the mr square common lower or the 9 minus 1 by 18. Adu kai tare have the Masi akoina ko noi LCM to lainu ko 9 into 18 minus 1 kai to lainu sun aina already kai doni ya matam the 2 into to ne ba sorry 18 into to the yaroi kande kande ka ain to chumbra yes chume so adu di to ko 18 into 9 to ro 18 into 9 di kai no have the 919162 tabra 162 minus 1 161 161 by 18 mr square. Kamain to 40 by 9 type. 40 by 9. So tawag.
Sir, 18 di kaya na. O, si 2 yaw ko. Si half sila kaya na.
Oh, sida habang wala may worry di. 9 by 2 ni. Sida habang wala may. Yan dabra. Sorry. So other gati kay tare have that 299 and 81 have 81 minus 1 di kay no 80 80 by 18 have 80 by 18 mr square. Or 40 by 9 ko. Chume sitar. Yare ko. Ay ni sida 2 wala ba. Kay no di half ni dana. Ay na half tu ngatang kau turo ba ay kay no gi pom la in panjalem. Ring gi pom la in panjalem. This ni dana ko maje. Ay si this ne ba ko aduna si 1 by 2 haraga. So minus 9 by 2 la ka tam ne ba ko. So anyway, CC में हम लोग क्या था उपरा?
Tahawi, sir.
Tahawi, sir.
Okay. Now the DRA. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 37. The ratio of the radius of gyration of a circular disc to that of a ring. Blah 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 blah. So now, can you tell us radius of gyration is type 3 no idea. So radius of gyration है पे चौक हम हाई give radius of gyration है जी कहीं no have the अकोई ना ideal body हम खान का दुनिया बा ideal solid अमा whose ID kedoba ID or you may think of a point mass m which is rotating about an axis and whose distance is at a radius z at a distance z kai hai jo have the kaino have the ideal ko nei dum question solve to way ni ko kaino AI companion kai solution anyway ideal mass sama kalo ko now let's say this is the axis of rotation and ideal mass sama sigi axis da coil ga chatla lay re sumai dum coil chatla lay ideal mass sigi magi mass let's say it is m and my distance is z nen khalaje odi my moment of inertia ji kaita ne mz square ta roidro kai no di magi moment of inertia formula is mr square ne ba my distance is z la pe my mass na m ni adu di mz square ta roidro ba tani go tani aduna di kaino have the in general moment of inertia is the mz square ni mz square ga compare to matam da z m du di mm manare z to kai ga manai sida r ga manai si z to kai ga manai r by root 2 ga manai sida z to kai ga manai have the root 2 r ga manai sidu z to kai ga manai root 3 by root 3 r by root 2 ga manai yam thuma lawa ngawar ba for any body ko of for any body the any object hamni ko or any formula of moment of inertia jinang mz square ka compare to over z kya tage over that value of z is the radius of gyration yan dai go for example if you compare this with mz square then what is z is equal to r by root 2 anang ji kai no matam z square ji tak to sun matam the r square by 2 tadra andana si sumai leitiba and C is the dinang Z kaitani. You have to compare it with mz square niko mz square. So C is the Z kaitani root 2 R. C is the Z kaitani root 3 R by root 2. So C is the chamani. C is the Z kaitani
root 5 by 2.
Root 5 R by 2 ka. C is the Z kaitani
root over 3 by 2.
Root over 3 by 2 R.
Root 3 R by root 2. Root 2 haroba. Oh, okay. No, I just minor about. Yeah, do
ꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ
Okay, okay. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ. Okay, C ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ. But R ꯗꯤ root ꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯏ?
R/2.
Very good. सिगिसिना Z is equal to R by 2. नोई सिसी ज्ञान ताब्रबा अखुम मी अमनी खतंग खुमे अतई खुमकते सिगिजे लोइन ज्ञान ताब्रा सैतबोस ताब्रा लक्ष्मी ताब्रा क्रिस्टिना चम अमरजीत तावेबको ओके यारे सिगिसिना Z सी कई तानी हैबदा R by root 2 तारे यारे को so सुमाइन तो उदना सी सिगिदी रोड की कई तानी Z से
L by root 2.
So 1 by 2 root 3 L or L by 2 root 3 ऐसे abra यही को ना और बा
Okay.
the root 12 से 4 in 12 by 4 into 3 ni na 4 की square root 2 ni dana का अदवाइन तो उदना अतई जी नोई लोइना मग नोई नम तो जरो नत्रगा सी नि जिम दे तो orge z अगे सी तो गिद्रोय का लाइन हिंजन न यारे इन सिंग दो लाइन आपसे Okay, anyway, fine. So, do the quiz question solve towards it. Okay, question chat. The ratio of the radius of gyration of a circular disc to that of a circular ring is of blah blah blah. Acidic you have the circular disc ki akoina radius of gyration moina kaido we have the sidakano pyramid devako. Axis to perpendicular axis la diametric axis la adu ada kem pyramid devako. Ado tasing have the again pyramid dragasu yai kaigino have the adum kakta na my formula structure do dim kakta na gini ba leho du ji kaina have the r do ne ko. Gan tabra ta dabra. Again 5D surrounding is again have the car regardless of what you do what formula you use it will be the same Z of a disc divided by Z of a ring. Now no current axis lo usi ke perpendicular lo gera perpendicular lo the r by root 2 tare sidana r tare audi kai tare 1 is to root 2 tare kai gumba no ina cc perpendicular log the diametric log gadi kai tane have the cc r by 2 tarni sidana ko cc kai tarni r by 2 tarni amma sidana kai tarni r by root 2 tarni si kakta naraga root 2 by 2 tarni sidi 1 by root 2 tarni do ngawbra si kise ngawde ko si sina si gi sida lawba sidai sida lawba si sina sidai sida lawba chamaneba moina si palam deba ko ado palam draga su yai sini da kaino di chamanani ba answer or even nang na si sida lawr yai ba sida lawr yai ba ko kem kai deba chamanani ba answer yarbo ma'am
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
okay let's move on sasa long na tok taji. Now, two bodies have their moments of inertia I and 2I respectively about the axis of rotation. If the kinetic energies of rotation are equal, their angular velocity will be in the ratio. Very simple question. See the physics natre maths ni ko no moment of inertia I formula khang ga di lai thok leshin to tan doi ni ngam gadra ngam moi do hairo question number 38 39 je ko ngam moi har ga ju hairo ngam ni hairo ai to doi ni ngam moi har sar na to ni ngam ni har skip to ni sa hairo
Inni.
Designer ro sir designer ro kain karam ko muktrija Seta Bose, Lakshmi, Christina, Asteris, Amarjit, Cham.
Try the
Okay, try to again. Amarjit, ngamgadra? 38 cha?
Yeng.
Yenge buka. Okay. Ngam moi kai khan ba mi yaw bra? sida kaimta ikai ningai kaim yaudi ko ngamni sir adu ngamdo mandi hot piro o hayo dum kaim kai de sir dum hot kani noi loin khangda ba ma hek yaw matam na sir na hot ka deni ko aduga noina aduga again sigi recorded session yeng ba mi ga yuina kaino habada noina live class yaw ngamagadi noina sana khangdo question direct hangba phange live class yaw dragadi noina sisi de ngamoy do student myam sina amta ngamoy ju haide ada en khanlaga ju upai leite ko noi adi aduna ne I always encourage live class and then atopa reason amana kaigino habda as I ngasi class yaw dre na horen recorded session yenga kai khanbe wane ko you have lots to do lots to study subject myam cover to within physics katang na te chemistry parakani botany geology parakani and then test series adugi adagi myam parakani noi matam phangoi ba noi hajawane phangdoga manwane ko yam chill loinaga adum matam song phangoi ba live class ama yaw bujina discipline leina yengo bujina kanarakani lecture rakani consistency ama maintain to bujina recorded session do horen yenge hayeng sum torsum nanjalakani ba kai noi class inum ti tor kadoini na ana last di ke dor kani have the as handa ki di nang do mandre na adu do la ne aduna sincere oina discipline laina consistent oina adum ke hene ke no to ko adi hayengi horengi thamgano bu ko adana hoi nong phaduk tangai phaduna yawanga mawdragadi recorded session yenga ga men khatare ko yari ge di consistency maintain to one fai ko aduga noina gyan ta chapter orgadi yaw kono I don't recommend it atopa subject atopa topic pa jaw ko physics ki orga atopa topic pa jaw noin khang le po to mo class ong yaw ga ke do ge na mataman gano ko anyway fine now question number 38 chi myam no yana re hai ra 38 39 di saja haina ro 39 ji to je to ro ji sar ha
sir.
okay. Now, three particles into mass m gram are situated at the vertices of an equilateral triangle ABC of side L centimeter, as shown in the figure. The moment of inertia of the system about a line AX, okay, perpendicular to AB and in the plane of blah blah blah. Sidi yam line draw. See L or ahambagi M zigi again moment of inertia C is the MC gi oina di kai tarne amatam da M L by 2 whole square plus A gidi kaina M 0 square plus B gidi kaina M L square adu di kaina have the 1 by 4 plus 1 di kaina 5 by 4 ml square lori kaina si kaina si amna question ju gyan ta nang odre magi axis of rotation is si name na ba have the C triangles C gi axis da ungtat ka doine ba ma ju sumai to ungduni si point ji budi ungaro adu si point ji nang sumai to raga keno to doine ba gyan ta right ja si whole si da kai ne si da kai si da kapasa ma si pan bai type to ka to raga si po si whole body ji unga doine unga matam ni si distance 0 ni na mai di contribute to mai distance L la pe ma gi na si mayai ni L by 2 la pe lori ke no si ngor ba sa gyan loin ta over ta over sa da na ro
Tahu sir.
Okay. All right. So the question number 40 is the lubra. A circular disc is to be made by using iron and aluminum, so that it requires maximum moment of inertia about geometrical axis. It is possible. Iron blah blah blah. No, khala aluminum का iron की density का ना है वानी. कहीं क्रम को मक्ति जुबा. Aluminum की कौन का iron की कौन का जिका मने है ना लुम गेवा.
Aluminium.
Iron aluminum को याव इंटे. Again, sir की जगह ना तो नहीं ना देखा. Aluminum की कौन का उनको पैसा ड्रिव तो जो aluminum याम yang बनी. Ko aduga kainom jo haige aluminum si kaina matamda si matang again ai si stop to da yar ai thomar now em ko kaino thokra screen no in thokra sir in thokra Sharon into ko sauna. Oh, okay, fine. So noi khangam neba kaino je metal sing is the best conductor of electric current je kaino. Best conductor of electricity je. Electricity ki best conductor je kaino metal sing da.
Silver.
Silver ni ko aluminum na te. Silver is the best conductor. Second best je kaino.
Gold.
Gold kai wari di.
Copper.
Copper. Third tana aluminum. Yare ko. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Copper is the second best, and aluminum is the third best, and blah blah blah. Ma'am like ko. Now, okay, the silver season na disi kay gino hay matam da silver is precious ko. Abadi akoy kedo wa likon sab na sinay ko. Nupi ke jewelry ko masaba, ornaments ko masaba. Kay gino silver si. First thing, it's rare. Second thing, it's we have the mazi reactive least reactive never gold ga silver ga least reactive never corrosion thok pakna thokan de oxidation to bide yam khange ba ko magi luster do maintain to all metals have luster but moi the oxidation thun tho pak pak law maksal le ba ko silver ni maksan de na silver gold ga je yamna to bagi hetare ko yamna least reactive hoi bagi moi ji koina ornaments gumba jewelry gumba sinay ko. That's another thing. Now good conductor silver sina dabai maram ji kai it's rare and it's very costly. Why adu akoi copper ga aluminum ga di yum the copper wire sin ramni aduga high tension wire habdi koina hydro electric power project id natragana coal gi natragana thermal gi whatever source to hydro oibra thermal oibra wind oibra any source oningbo isano ko mai ji purak ka duine ba khoi transformer tana and transformer dagi yum dong purak ka duine ba ko ana mai ji adugi ngasai wire achu purai do ngasai power source dagi heta project id power project dagi na khoi gi transformer local transformer tana purak ko wire se high tension wire haiba HT haiba HT ji noi dum tower awang ba mobile tower gi type ta mai gi tower mem lai bine ba adu da magi masamareng mem tor mem wire ji pu bine ba ko so adugi high tension wire is HT line ka hena bane to HT is kai na sam dong wan silver na sam dong wan bra copper na sam dong wan bra natragana aluminum na sam dong wan bra natragana atop na sam dong wan bra kai sam dong wan
Aluminum
na mala okay very good aluminum na sai ko but aluminum is not the best copper is better far better than aluminum ne ko but kai copper sina david aluminum sina ja
aluminum
kai
aluminum chip
boy ko copper da ko okay fine adu katang ina te ko copper ju ke subtang mo poti na te hoy as compared to aluminum kitang budi tangam be but adugi na te ko copper diam heavy hoy copper di density am wang aluminum diam light hoy ana noina class 12 ta kai tam mi ha matam noi resistance chi akoina kedo we have the directly proportional to length inversely proportional to area of cross section kai hiram ni ko ana kedo ni have the nang area of cross section chaw the resistance handara kani ba ana aluminum di light oibani na yang baina area of cross section chaw la junga me ba adu resistance khangal handara ga mana hena conduct to helak pai tai adu chama na dimension orgadi copper ne am thine heleba aluminum dagi conductivity wang buse but kaino the copper diam heavy weba aduna kaidoni have the maji adu yam sang tinga gadi magi weight tuna tension le ga pochi kaidoni have the stable oiro ko heavy ju oibnina what kaido we have the copper gi mohta khoina aluminum oina sin na bata aluminum yam light oi yang metal neba adu madi area of cross section chahon biare and it is the third best conductor of electricity ana area of cross section chahol lapuduna my conductance arobida wangkat the conductivity habidi the conductance wangkat ala kada wadi my resistance handara kani kyan thai ko aisa adugini aduna sir na si palai ji kaina aluminum jam light oiba anyway so akoi where were we kai chakring sai aina som da kan nami no share toromdre kai biji gida so a circular disk is to be made by using iron and aluminum so that it acquires maximum moment of inertia about geometrical axis. So it is possible with adudi akoina moment of inertia khwaidi chawn ge di heavy oibisi kai da thamdoina manung da thamdoira mapan thamdoira mapanda the aluminum at interior and iron surrounding it iron at interior and aluminum surrounding it blah 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 audi kai tare Aluminium at interior and iron surrounding it. So option A is the right answer. Yareko? Kayo kanang kumagte. Yarbo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So question number 41 is 41, 42, 41, 42, 43, something. So 41, 42 is high kadra, high roidra, kang do mi yaw di high ro. Start talk. I'm waiting. Question number 41, 42 is high kadra, high roidra, tawzira, tawrishira, high ro. Chum, high ro, chum. Chum yaw riba.
Hi, sir.
Question number
42 tawsira.
42 tawzira ba ka, tawzi, 42 tawzi ka. Moite kumak drum nina, 42 tawzi. So sida hai is kaino have the ABC is a triangle ka, DABC and DABC ka hai jale. ABC is a triangular plate of uniform thickness. Okay, the sides are in the ratio blah blah blah. Are in the ratio as shown in the figure 5:4:3 whatever. So all right, which of the following relations is correct? Now, sir, muna tau ka. Moment of inertia is kaino have matam da. Moment of inertia ki formula is kaino cham. M(r square natra). So mr square. Okay, fine. So aduna di kedo ya matam da moment of inertia kam kan chaw kan have the same mass la matam my distribution do axis tagi quite lapi gay moment of inertia chaw ni axis tagi axis the naxal la gay my moment of inertia sun no handara kan ba yan dai guys ya sir gi recorded class yang ga di sir na already video amanoi class live ta in di angang ani nupi msa ani angang ani swaina high be dos road umpire ga du moment of inertia yang be out the zaina already no da idea am pigre ka. So again aduna kaido we have the moment of inertia gadi my mass distribution do karam mana khwai dagi hen axis tagi lap ke have do yeng gadu ne ba ko aduna hajik yengo sigi triangle zida koina kaido we have the magi si sumaina lay gadu ni si 4 lap pen lower z and then si sina kaya na my lap is 2 ra 3 ra adu dc kitang tena lage pa and then 5 lap pen lower z ka. So this is 4, this is 3, and this is 5. And let's draw some axes. So let's say, I'm sorry. Let's say this is the axis of rotation. See the axis of rotation, this is the rotate ko. My distance lap ke and lap of the piano. See distance in lap ke and lap of the. Again, let's say this is distance d1. Matang da sige axis of rotation sida ama gong tawreba ko magi distance in a lap ke and lap of the kaino my distance 3 tare ko my distance is it yes lap ke and lap of the sige axis sige di kaino have the m into sorry m ga tokro my distance ko maximum distance d max d max is equal to 3 and sige sina d max is equal to d1 and I just like because sige d1 and then axis of rotation amaga wali ko sige sida d suppose sige axis sida d magi maximum distance kaino have the kaino my maximum 4 natra 4 adu di hydro noi axis c let's say kaino abc neba a b and c adu di d max da karam axis na bc ki axis na quite lap tra 4 za lap ko bc axis or the distance 4 over ab ne axis or the distance d1 ever and this d1 will be smaller than 4 and even it will be smaller than 3 ko the scene quite list with never ana quite chaw si kana ne chaw ni have matam da quite the distance yam ba do Quite distance when BC is the axis. So IBC should be greater than mathang na kaino. When C na quite least so iduni ko mathang da C axis no. Adu kaino si AB, IAB. And mathang da na kaino quite least na IAC. The moment of inertia along AC ko, along AC. Kaya hypotenuse quite sang do low kasi may maximum distance quite pillar ni ko. Quite thin with the low do na quite the chow do ni moment of inertia. Marak ki do na marak tom len. So do na C is no kang batar gadi. Now kay dong ni have the IBC is maximum, IC is maximum. Sim lale. IBC is greater than IAB. Sim chume. Option D is the right answer. Yare ko. AB is greater than BC hai si lale and C ni sum to the AC ta ne AC is lale ko AC is the smallest ne kamain ta deno. Option D is the right answer. Gyan ta ho da bra so sai na ro. Cham gyan ta.
Wait, tare, sir.
Tare ko. Great.
Wait, tare.
Okay. Atay di mi amon gyan ta ho bra.
Tare, sir.
Okay, fine. Great. Tare.
Tare, sir.
Adu di no question number 41 ja adu gi logic to pala ga no ina sana dam to zero ko. Hey, Maka the correct now question number 43 is in a rectangle ABCD blah blah BC is equal to 2 times of AB. The moment of inertia is minimum along which axis A. Adu the higher na si the current axis tan quite the minimum when along EZ, along AD, along FH, along AB, along DC. Current man quite na kena or C option mari is the current man quite na moment of inertia chawni. C na axis or agadi, BC na axis or agadi, BD na HF na EZ na axis or agadi. Current moment of inertia na quite the chawni. Hero. Maximum distance to you go, maximum distance.
D.
BD or
Okay, BD ba.
B no ito
Distance ko isang mo na team ino adi ngasay axis ki asang mo na team ino ba. Si axis BD ki si axis mo na sang ba ni distance bu sang bro si bo. Kyan ta da ba.
khwaidagi minimum one F
Oh,
hai
khwaidagi minimum hai ra.
na si minimum hong ma.
Oh, ay soy ja. Okay. ID can ID maximum power. Anyway, fine. Yeah. So my BC is equal to twice of AB and I have never got. Anyway, fine. The is minimum along which axis I have never got. Okay, I do already yang si BD have got no got.
Easy. Tiền đâu.
She's never got. All right. So I'm gonna BC
Easy.
BC ama sumoy oilero minimum je ko. Khwaidai pick position je oituni. Easy je oituni. Ko easy je oirni BC sima sumoy oiro. BD diga chakra. BD sima ngai ko BD je khana je ko. HF ti kaina. HF sima oiro si lapi ko. HF sima oiro. Easy di easy sima zu oibe yai. Easy ga BD ga si kana ne na kena tau ge ne yeng se ko. Now, okay, we have the BD gidi amuka BD di kena sina lape hele ka ado di obviously kena ne easy sine he na pictro.
Bị.
Magi maximum distance si dang ne ba ama si maximum distance pan am chawrok tro sa. Ha si chawrok tra ba. Ama jina si axis lo buta ga di no my maximum distance si katang ora ka de ne gyan ta da bra. No si axis blue udine. Anyway, so the right answer is easy. Easy sina minimum with you. Gyan de.
Đấy, sir.
Tare, sir.
Tare, sir.
Say to boss, Christina, Lakshmi.
Tare, sir.
Đấy, sir.
Tare ko. Okay, yeah. The question number 44 ga 45 ka yung ludo man yung the theorems of parallel perpendicular ay silo yung tawlo gram ni dugo. Yung ano ne ludo man ga ipa long taw third am. Kay no di ay gravity su tak tu ni no ito ko du gini handak ki the gravity yakani gravity is earth satellite ki mamang ko yakani ko earth satellite ki question diam ta yaro next class next test yakani ko gravity earth satellite ki so question number 44 45 ngam gadra ngam boidra ngam moy hade haro ito ge sir na kola kaiba 44 to 0 45 to 0 natraga both kaino kanang ko mukti kaino kana kumo kana kum gaino Amarjit say the boss jump
तौसलजे सर
kaiba asterisk kaiba
तौसलजे
tawsalaje ba tawsalaje ji karam 44 to 45 so ani ma tawsalaje ro
औ सर
okay tawsalaje ya koi tawsalaje amina over tawsalaje ka over to you okay all right tawsalaje okay fine so a flywheel rotating about again flywheel have just canonical disc kitang tha with this money okay flywheel and ko economy internet te mo flywheel image si kamai to gena ko physics ki lab te laibini so ana ko ina so ana horizontal axis amada yala thamaga magi moment of inertia angang sing the calculate id put one by ko measure to one by so a flywheel rotating about fixed axis has a kinetic energy of 360 joules when its angular speed is blah blah. Where the moment of inertia put she realized okay no kinetic energy formula do kinetic energy do kaino man pyramid 360 ne how the half layer I layer I do and then kaino omega is 30 radian per second adra how the 30 square is equal to 360 kaino she I put away she okay do What four kakshal later is so kena to zi cost mine to zi kena is kita 0 kakraba 3 na 2 1 2 3 2 6 1 so the c 12 layer ko na kay na kaksige habita ay na 6 na kakke ka 12 say 6 2 12 and 6 5 30 ka na 2 2 10 2 2 4 4 by 5 tay 4 by 5 ti kena 0.2 54 nati 58 0.8 yarba ma'am tabram di ko answer ang lalem tab na tro mid thak pa di guarantee leite ko di kaino di mid thak pa di it can happen anytime ko pa leite mid thak sala agadi aduna ne sir na handan practice to waido ay butang ya daw na okay so nui na haibi mutung ina dum tok sala je amni na mai dum tok san tam ni ne ko je so see the high a ring of mass m and radius are rotates about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane ka in to jo si jong tok ja ra
Yeah.
oi its kinetic energy ai ke dang haja lage si ji kaino half I gi di kaino I gi di mr square na tro and omega de kaino kaino b is equal to omega r na tro omega cross r ne but 90 degree ni na sin 90 di 1 ni na si le ra di omega di b by r ni na ko moi na okay kaino b bro okay okay mr square half I kaino ai jibo half I omega square di e dum tare ko kem thong nga lai che ai di b de ko b bro na kalore si je ta ka lai che e tare ko ngawar ba
Ngaude.
ngawde asterisk gyan tar ba
सर
Amarjit Saitabos Thongamba Tarba.
sir.
Okay, Lakshmi Tarba,
Tar
Cham Tarba,
Wait, Tarsha.
Christina Tarba,
Tare.
Tareko, airline ko, airline nila. live name Luman one live name. So from a disk of radius r and a circular hole of diameter r whose rim passes through the center of the okay assume question in no yam we can conjure or go there. See assume question and the hangjaramba angangama see class year of 3 recorded session yang jarjan. From a disk of radius r and mass m, a circular hole of diameter r whose rim passes through the center. Okay, is cut. Okay, fine, no worries. Yam live question ika. Until lemon grace. Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, kain to jo. To hun to lo to again ka. Si sim layer ba. Odagi tak long copy to lo again. Tak long pi lo lo. Yeah, that. Kay ba mo aja. Whose rim pass okay, diameter r ho hello ka na. 8 yare ka. Ya lage si de. Okay, so see layer. Remaining part of the disk की moment of inertia put हुए Sigi this sigi moment of inertia put हुए Sigi hollow नहीं को सी आउट ज्ञान ताइता ते मैम question ज्ञान तार बो question हम तो पाओ question ज्ञान ताओ आई नो जार लांग होतो गनो question कहीं ना ज्ञान ताओ ड्रेडी answer खंग कान question ज्ञान ताओ ड्रेड अदु तोक तना बो question जे क्या पारो अदु ज्ञान तार कान द हाइरो तारे ना
Sir, यहाँ में sentence क्या आता है?
from a disk of radius r sigi this sigi radius r ने बको See this sigi radius r neba. See this is a circular hole of diameter r. See sigi diameter in my d radius d r by 2 or any my diameter in r or draw. I see hole sigi d natro diameter natro r z. Ganta dabra.
Grandma hole.
See hole.
Oh, man.
Magi d o javani. See r I z magi radius r by 2 neze. Natro. She's a cut out the way. Whose rim my magi circumference passes through the center of the acho this to be center of how my rim and adu DC center powder assume the soidum ki magi ke circumference ani to overlap tong na ne the circumference pragmatic or sigi point na overlap tong na ne what is the moment of inertia of the remaining part of the disk of the remaining shaded portion the sigi po che kakhala lo thoki bata agadi shaded portion lemo ni na sigi moment of inertia put hoye audi again once again sir I have to say moment of inertia is a scalar quantity and a shaded portion plus manungi is equal to achoba adu the achoba is equal to shaded portion is equal to achoba moment of inertia de manungi to khaito and achoba gi di kaino mr square by 2 yare ko minus manungi di kaino half m r do kaino r by 2 ne whole square yarba adurgadi na mr square is common lower gadi 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8 tarni yare ko audi kai tar have the 2 into 4 8 so 4 minus 1 the 3 by 8 tar ihe answer is la la what guys we know half 1 minus 1 by 8 or yeah ai pangiga aji anate asida taro have udi nate ko the kitang sing no hot keba half of common or 1 minus 1 by 8 so 7 by 8 so 7 by adudi kai tarni answer is still tadri boto is 8 minus 1 is 7 oh sorry mass m na table ko mass m ne na dum option le damn okay habidi ngasai total mass budi yare na ko si mass di m oiroi ko si mass e koina kaidoni ya matab da total mass is okay m dash divided by pi r by 2 whole square is equal to m by haraga kai haidina pi r square neva. Aduraga the m dash is equal to a pi kakre r square kakre ko. The CC kind of 4 times of m dash tare ko. Now 1 by 4 m tare. Aduna CC 1 by 4 m tare. Adu ibitaraga the aina half mr square common low matam the 1 minus haraga 2 square 4 16 1 minus 1 by 16 tarni. Adu 16 minus 1 is 15 16 into 2 the 32 mr square. 15 by 32. Answer tare. Gyan taudra banga or basa. Gyan taudra bo. Kamotre. Amaka kumaji gay.
sir.
Ito was taure.
Tauri sir.
Taure. Cham taubra. Tadadi dum sing na ayo ko tadina. Cham ta.
Tai.
Taya.
Tai.
Okay.
Hmm.
Thong tabra.
Chatai.
Tai. Christina
Chatai.
tabra.
Tai sir.
Amarjit tabra. Amarjit. Sit.
Wrong.
Tai ko. Okay, fine. Yeah, didi. Noi loin tare lor kay na din. Noi loin kumamale tare na ko. So it's already 9:41 question. Quite luwa man ba maharo ne. Question number 47 48 chingam gadryo. Question ama nidang tawag lo sila sebo ko. 47 48 je khallo aduga hairo. Karman lu ni. 47 48 49. No edu mapam khallo ko adu hairo. Wala chinga tak. Okay. Hairo. 47 to 0 48 to 0. Anatraga animak yam laiman bagi 49 50 51 day to 0 hairo. Noi adum noi nasada PYQ lai gadabni ko. The Sargis 2024 po yaudeva. I think only up to 2020 po tang waram niwa. Auna noida sigi PYQs noida labam to eba ko. Sardi 33 years kang ne hazik 37 years ki talk rabaneva. On 4 years ama aingon the yaudre ko. The noina yaurga luyin kalai sar the thazalo item so torke ko. Adini. So Hiro question number 47 48 jimi amling amadra. Kanam kumaktre.
Sir 48,000.
48,000. Okay, 1,000 ka 48,000. So question number 48 see the moment of inertia of a uniform circular disc is maximum about an axis perpendicular to the disc and passing through. Okay, so sir nang sa have the see this natra this ni other the moment of inertia is quite the pick padi kai the pickani a the pickani quite the chawna kai the chawni b the chawroidro kai am atam the b jina kai axis over target the farthest distance diameter natra Lakshmi gyan tower sir nining is
Tai.
adudi have the yonko magine moment of inertia ze sum ai pirakebo ko order do kamai lai ni abda quite the chawzi along b Matang kana along C, matang kana along D, matang kana along A. Kaya have the B is the kayo axis with the my distance quite lapasi diameter never. Matang C is in axis with the quite lapasi C is never. Matang D is already quite lapasi C is never. Matang A already radius stay in lapaya or so the A is in quite P ever central mass hauser the disk. Yar was is
Oh, yari sir.
So sidalo shala zira question amaga hot ki zira. Loisala zira haina ro kung akoi time ji kyam chakram nang ai ngasi kitang minute I think about 12 13 minutes 15 minutes on tabra question am tang to wisi ko noina khwai de lui na kan question am ta haro du gam to wis question number 47 ni noi kram hack tam ya do mal noi haining ba yaw bro question number 47 ja
Oh.
Sao rất tàu gì?
okay to ze ko 47 ja okay noi kram haina rakte actually live jala skip to so C is the kind of 3 identical spherical shells, each of mass m and radius r, are placed as shown in figure. Consider an axis xx prime or xx dash, which is touching the two shells and passing through the diameter of the third shell. Okay, the third shell is moment of inertia of the system consisting of these three shells, spherical shells about xx prime axis is and so it's a very simple question. Yam live question ni. Let's say I see cannot this see sina kay thonjala sina moi na ji kay no sina 1 thonjala ge sina kay thonjala ge sina 2 thonjala ge sina 3 thonjala ge au di spherical shell ji kay no shell ji hollow ge dam ni moi ji solid oi jala shell di hollow ge dam ni ka I don't know but formula ji di yeng ase ba ka hollow di oi bam thokpani aduna 2 by 5 ka 2 by 3 ga so solid ki 2 by 5 na tra so 2 by 5 mr square plus mr square into 2 I CC ko again yam live ne ko one shot solution yare do torge sumain torge CC gyan ta bra CC I1 plus I2 plus I3, which is equal to I3 plus 2 times of I1, since I1 is equal to I2. CC gyan ta bra C I3 ni CC na kay na CC na I1 or I2 gyan ta de
Tay.
Tay.
kay ba hero
Tadi.
Tadi ya. Okay. Tadi di sir explain to ka ka. Zik to is kay no matam do ko. Akoy na noina quite first it is expected that shell amagi moment of inertia si hollow shell amagi moment of inertia passing through its center of mass or its center do kay no the madu 2 by 5 mr square ne ba. Kyan dai ko. Adi parallel axis theorem palaga magi tangent lay bidudi kay tani 2 by 5 mr square plus mr square taroidra si distance r lape total mass na m ni si taroidra now tangent lay ji kanagi no spare 1 gisu spare 2 gisu tangent lay bani na 2 times of si taroidra spare 3 gi di direct mayai phau bani na 2 by 5 mr square dum ta jaroidra still tadriba kumaktre
Just solid ki holy.
hoi adu ne ai moina shell je sengmudi ko hollow shell je koina anambana di keno longnai ba kaiba hollow longnai ba ko ado moina adu ne je ai happen ai sum recall to the si question je solid ki logum to ne ba solid sphere habiram man di fa natraga solid ki ado moi darken ga to isina di ko solid manali ra kang ne moi but again answer to taraktraga di mo solid ki mo hotna doine ba ko moina solid ki hol solid kilore kaino de answer ta da ne ba holo gi lobu ko al moi pan bi ga da ne ba kaino shell is usually koina holo ina lo ne ba sh double l anyway adu di kai dore di mr square lere duga
Her sound tadre. Tadi.
hello tarba
Tadi sir.
tare ko still tai ko
Uh,
okay tai ko okay blue light ko dun ta ko di man sound ya odre ko damn it 1 second tabra hello
tay sir.
Tay sir.
tai ko ai si hap ga oina tawrage natraga di yaro makon ai di charge out to bene ko So aduna dik okay. So yengone CC gyan tabra toize 2/3 MR id quite first first step se gyan tabra. First step to toize sir ne 2/3 MR square loize mathaki sineba mathaki si magi axis to fawbonina 2/3 MR square do si moino keno nena solid kilogram nina 2/3 MR square tajare na ko quite mathaki se third solid spares de CC gineba aduga अनीजिदी कदवे हाबदा मोगी सेंटर मास फाउदेबा टेंजेंट लैबिदुने टेंजेंट लैबिदुदी पैरेलल एक्सिस थ्योरम की मतुंगिना टेंजेंट लैबिदुदी कयोइनी हाबदा I is equal to आगा ICM plus ICM दुदी 2/3 MR square लैजरे अदुगा कई दोबा टोटल मास प्लस रेडियस स्क्वायर नत्रो सी ओइदुनेबा मागी ngасai सिजे क्या ताब्रा इसे टेंजेंट लैत्रो कनो शेल 1 ग शेल 2 गदि अदुना मोइनी की चप माननी उन 2 times of RC लानेबा अदि MR square common law 2/3 तारे and 2 into 2 the 4/3 तारे 2 into 1 the 2 ni 2 do nangna makada denominator 3 o ngedi matakta ju 3 into 6 तारे 6 plus 4 plus 2 the 12/3 4 तारे ज्ञान ताउद्रबा
तारनी सर ताई सर चलो सी होली जो होलो नत्रो
ए 2/3
मान
whole
मान
kay biji kita
होलो नहीं
o
होलो स्पिन
holone mane holone kay ay ngasai solid hybra solid kidi 2/5 natra okay adidi kem soinaram dre ko holone yes 2/3 holone anyway yeah ngasai in 2/5 lo salem anyway so CC me amlon kyan taubra
होले
cham kyan taubra
Hoi, tayo, sir.
Christina tabra
Ta hối sir.
okay Sitabos tabra Amarjit Taika okay fine yeah okay fine so adudi pungzu keno tare pung kya tare pung 9:52 tare ko aduna sir okay so ngasi gidi keno toksalaji ko ngasi gidi swaida loisalaji ko thank you everyone thank you for the class
Thank you, sir.
okay
Thank you, sir.
fine loisalaji ko good night
Good night, sir.
good night